So here we have the parts kit for the CFR metal ski bracket system. You get two 16-inch straps with ratchets, two U-channels with hardware, two metal ski brackets with mounting brackets, .4" bolts with washers, 8 1024 bolts with two fender washers and a nylock on each of those, 4 rivets, 2 ladder brackets. Make sure you've got all that before you start. Tools you'll need to install your CFR metal ski bracket system are a drill, cordless or cord, Loctite, rivet gun, hammer, punch, 6-inch extension, ratchet, 7/16 socket, 3/8 socket, 3/16 drill bit, 1/8 drill bit, 17/64 drill bit, 7/16 open end wrench, Sharpie, 4mm Allen head. So first start out by assembling your metal ski bracket system. Grab your 1.5" bolt with washer, stick through this hole. You have to feed that through there a bit. Tight. Grab your second one, and what we're going to do in this one is going to put it through this here, and then into here, like so. So in this one, and then we're going to put it on this side, and then on the other bracket, we'll put the strap on the other side. So, second, make sure you put some Loctite on the threads. Tools do this. You need your ratchet, extension, and your 7/16 socket, and screw these into the threads onto the bracket, one by one. Just gonna slowly get it on there. Little by little on each side. Nice and tight on there. So. Then go and grab the other piece that you have and do the same thing, except instead of putting the strap on this side, we're going to put the strap on the other side, like so. Loctite and attach. Here's a helpful hint when you're figuring out where you're going to put your metal ski bracket system on your sled is use a rubber band and tie up the brakes here because they kind of get in your way. Slide the bracket right in front of the front binding like so. Attach the ladder bracket onto the ratchet. So place it on the snowmobile. And what you're gonna do is you wanna figure out where you're gonna put this bracket, keep it out of the way, and find a place you can rivet it without having any issues with the suspension components or anything. So hold it up like that. Another thing you want to make sure you want to look for is, can I mount it here? Is there anything in the way? That looks good. Now here, is there anything in the way? So there's a suspension bracket there, so I'm going to move it a little bit farther forward there. And that looks good there, right behind the suspension component. So pull out your Sharpie, mark it here. So what you're gonna have to do is take the ladder bracket off, put the bracket on the mark spot in the tunnel, and mark all the holes in the centers.